Question 25. The graph shows the changes in blood glucose concentration after eating a meal containing carbohydrates. A hormone is responsible for the change between X and Y, which row identifies the hormone and the part of the body where it acts. So we know that carbohydrates are composed of glucose monomers, and carbohydrates that we can consume include starch. Consuming these carbohydrates during digestion, these carbohydrates will be broken down into the glucose monomers and be absorbed into our bloodstream. That's why we find the glucose monomers or the molecules in our blood. We see that from time 0 to time point X, the blood glucose level is rising. This must have meant that digestion was occurring and glucose was absorbed into the blood. But from X and Y, we see blood glucose concentration falling. The hormones that are responsible to regulate blood glucose concentration include insulin and glucagon. These are produced in the islets of Langerhans in the pancreas, and we see that the normal level of the blood glucose should be maintained here. But we see the deviation being an increase higher than the normal level, and the hormone between X and Y serves to reduce the blood glucose concentration back to normal. Reducing blood glucose concentration back to normal is the action of the insulin hormone. Therefore, options A and B can be eliminated. Insulin acts on several different organs, including the liver and the muscles, in which they are activated to convert this excess glucose in the blood, since now blood concentration is too high above the normal level, to the storage formed within the cells, including liver cells and muscle cells, in the form of glycogen. Therefore, the liver is the part of the body or the organ where the insulin hormone acts on, and option D will be the correct answer. Insulin does not act on blood, rather insulin is transported from the site of secretion, which is at the pancreas, to other parts of the body, including liver and the muscles, through the blood. So the blood transports insulin and is not the final effector of insulin hormone.